Hello everybody, in this video I'm going to show you how to make a Telegram account without a phone number. It's very easy to do. I'm going to put a link in the video description or pinned comment below. So what do? There are different websites that have virtual, why can't I open it, virtual phone numbers. So basically what this is that you put in a little bit of money here. It's very cheap, trust me. And on the left hand side you can choose the service that you want to register with that phone number. For example, you have Google, Tinder, Apple, etc, etc. For this we're gonna use Telegram. Click on Telegram, and then from here you click on what country that you want to. It doesn't necessarily need to be the country that you're currently in, although I think it does help a bit. But from what I've been doing, I just use some random country in Africa and not the country I live in. So let me do that now. For example, you can see right here how much it costs for this to happen. I'm gonna buy, for example, one cheap country just to show everybody. For example, let's say something cheaper than Indonesia. Okay, let's go Indonesia. It's like $1. So then you click on for any by number. So this is the carrier. I don't know these carriers, but that's a carrier. And what you will do here is that you'll click on by number, and you'll see the country code here and the phone number here. And then when you want to register for Telegram, it asks for your country code and the phone number, so put this in exactly as you see it. I'm not going to register my Telegram because it's already registered, but what you do is you put it in here, and then the activation code will be sent here. This is the code that is usually sent to your SMS, so it's basically sending an SMS to this phone number right here. You put the code that is displayed here into Telegram, and that is it. You have just made a Telegram account without a phone number.